In this video, I'll be teaching you how to perfectly fix your yoke to your sweetheart neckline bustier. As you can see the outcome of this, it looks really beautiful and perfect. So this is the lining part of the bustier, and this is what the bustier looks like when it was put on. So if this is a tutorial you're interested in, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and without wasting much time, let's dive right into the tutorial. So I'll just be teaching you how to fix the yoke. So this is my pattern that I'm working with. You will need to draft your pattern and make sure the pattern is correct, especially the yoke and the bustier part. So this is what my own pattern looks like. If you don't have a perfect pattern, it will definitely affect the outcome. So this is what I have after cutting away the unwanted part from the pattern I drafted. And after joining together, this is what the bustier looks like. So at the center here, you go ahead and notch with just half inch. That's what I'm using to join this. So I notched with half inch, and on the net too, the skin net, I also notched this by half inch. This is very important, like very important. So after notching, it's time to pin. So you pin from one side to the other. As you can see that center, see how it is bent. So you pin from one side to the other and you don't stretch your net, so you know what you cut out. So just follow what you've cut out already. So you pin it, then after pinning you go ahead and sew. Please, at this point you don't need to rush, because if you rush you will also lose your, you will lose what you've done, and it will affect the neatness of your bustier. So you have to take your time and you sew gradually. So you sew from that center, from the center front to the side, for one side. Then after you are done for this side, you also move to the other side. So after I was done sewing, I proceeded to pin the other side. See the way I placed this. As you can see how this part here is open. And you know it's because of the notching we did at the center. So if you don't notch, there's no way this will open up like this. So you go ahead and you also pin. So when you are pinning, make sure that the center front, there is no space in between. So just make sure that you are pinning accurately. If you don't pin accurately, you will also see it. So you just make correction, especially that center front. Make sure that everything is aligned. The net and the bustier, they are on the same line. So you go ahead and pin up to the side, from the center front to the other side, from the center front to the side. So you go ahead and you pin. After pinning, you also proceed to sewing. So from this one, I'm sewing from the front. I'm sewing from the side rather to the center front. You know, from the first one, I started sewing from the center front to the side, but this one I started from the side to the center front. So when you get to this center, make sure you are not sewing on any fabric. You are just sewing the net and the fabric alone. You are not overlapping this to any, to the bustier at all. It is not overlapping. Make sure you check this part well, the center front. Make sure that no part is overlapping, because if it is overlapping, it will affect the result of the sweetheart neckline. So after that, cut away your thread and just see what you've done. So at this point, if you have any issue, you will see it. But for this one, this is perfect, so I can proceed to fix the lining. So if you have any issue at this point, please take your time and just lose it and fix it, because if you fix the lining, it will not correct it. So make sure you have a perfect joining for the main fabric and the line and the net before you proceed to fix the lining. So this is my lining, and I'm also fixing it. So I'll start from the side. I'm starting from the side to the center front at first. So make sure you also fix it gently. And for the midpoint of the lining also, like we did for the main bodies, I also notched it so that I can be able to sew this. You see this center here, it is very tricky, and it is not easy at all. I won't lie to you. So you have to take your time and sew this gently. So when you are done, just stop this, check what you've done. If you have any issue, please loosen it and correct it. Then you start from the center front again to the side. Please, at this point, make sure you are checking the net so that it is not overlapping inside what you are joining, because if it overlap, you have to lose that again. So you take your time, then you join the lining to the other side also. So guys, after joining, this is what the outcome look like, and I went ahead to iron. So you need to give this a very good press for the beauty to come out well. So this is the front. This is what the front looks like, and I will turn it over for you to see the lining part also. So this is the front, and this is the lining area. As you can see what we have, and this was ironed properly. So this was ironed very well, and this is what the outcome looks like, and this is the final outcome. So let me know if this video was helpful, and if you haven't liked this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. If you have any question for me, you can also drop it in the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as I get them. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.